The Bajaj Qute has always been an interesting vehicle, neither a car nor a bike, but something in between. For 2025, Bajaj has given this tiny four-wheeler some subtle updates while keeping its core philosophy intact: an affordable, fuel-efficient, and easy-to-drive urban mobility solution. The Qute stands out in the crowded streets, measuring just 2.75 meters in length and 1.3 meters in width. It's one of the smallest four-wheelers available, perfect for squeezing through tight traffic and parking in the most challenging spots. The design remains practical, with a boxy shape optimized for maximum interior space. The front end gets a slightly refreshed look with updated headlights and a tweaked grille, but the overall structure remains minimalistic, built with purpose rather than luxury in mind. Step inside, and the cabin feels functional. The dashboard is basic but well thought out. There's a centrally mounted speedometer, a simple digital display, and a small storage space on the dashboard. The seats are upright, offering decent comfort for city commutes, but don't expect plush materials. This is a vehicle built for practicality, with easy-to-clean surfaces and durable plastic trims. Under the hood, or rather, under the rear, sits a 216cc, single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine. This small but efficient motor produces around 13 horsepower and is available in both petrol and CNG variants. The focus here isn't on speed but efficiency. The top speed is limited to around 70 km per hour, which is more than enough for urban environments. Fuel economy is where the Qute excels, delivering an impressive mileage of over 35 km per liter for the petrol version and even better figures for the CNG model. Driving the Qute is a unique experience. The 5-speed sequential gearbox, operated like a motorcycle's, might take some getting used to, but it ensures smooth power delivery. The turning radius is incredibly tight, making U-turns effortless in congested areas. The suspension is tuned for city roads, handling potholes decently, though the lightweight structure means it can feel bumpy on uneven surfaces. Braking performance is adequate, with drum brakes on all four wheels ensuring safe stops at urban speeds. Safety in the Qute is kept to the basics. Since it's categorized as a quadricycle rather than a car, it doesn't require standard car safety features like airbags or ABS. However, Bajaj has reinforced the body structure and included seat belts to enhance occupant protection. The lightweight design and compact size make it easy to maneuver, reducing the likelihood of collisions in dense traffic. Practicality is one of the Qute's strongest points. It seats 4 occupants in a 2+2 configuration, though space in the rear is best suited for short trips. The cargo space is limited, but there's a small boot at the back for essentials. The high ground clearance helps tackle speed bumps and rough roads without scraping the underbody. For those looking for an affordable, low-maintenance, and eco-friendly city commuter, the 2025 Bajaj Qute remains a compelling option. It's perfect for businesses, last-mile connectivity, and those who need a simple, cost-effective urban transport solution. While it may not offer the comfort or safety of a full-fledged car, it excels in what it's designed for: navigating crowded streets with ease, exceptional fuel efficiency, and minimal running costs.